Oh wow, only $600 for everyone who walks into your house to think you're a dumbass. What a steal. Hey guys, today we're going to be looking at some PCs on Facebook Marketplace. Remember to like and subscribe if you want to see more content like this. Let's get into it. Oh, well yeah, no, that's a starter kit if you don't want a fucking graphics card. What the hell? You're not gaming on here? What are you going to use? Fucking the Intel integrated graphics? That's just a scam as well. That's not a starter kit. They do have a good wireless card in there. I'm pretty sure that's the wireless card that I actually have. Yeah, it is. Oh, no, it's not. Good wireless card, though. If you guys are shopping for a new computer and you can't get Ethernet, make sure you get one of these wireless cards. All you have to do is slot it into the PCIe, and it's gonna last so much longer and work so much better than your, USB wireless adapter. Those things will crap out after like 2 months because of the excessive heat that they are put through. Gaming PC in sleeper case. $400. You know, for $400. Again, given the current market, that's really not that bad. Because you're getting your 16 gigs of RAM. It doesn't say the speed of the RAM, but you're getting 16 gigabytes of RAM, you're getting a 1050 Ti, not the best card in the world. You're gonna lag on some bigger games like The Division 2. You probably won't even be able to run The Division 2, quite frankly. I'd be surprised. You get a good i5, good-ish i5, I mean, given the time. 500 gigabytes of HDD, you just upgrade those. Hard drives are super cheap right now. If you can talk that down to like 350, 300, I'd say this is also probably a pretty good deal. For fucking $1,700 original list price, and it's from 2018? There's no graphics card. What's the point of this? The portability of it? Yeah, seeking a fair offer, I'll give you 20 bucks. You're not going to be able to do anything on there. Oh, it comes with Final Cut, I guess, and Logic. A lot of RAM. Also, don't buy Final Cut Pro. Why would you edit on Final Cut Pro when you have Adobe Premiere Pro for around the same price point? This guy seems pretty cool, actually. So you text him saying that you want your gaming PC built and what your budget is, and he'll help you build your gaming PC for you. And it sounds like he's just sort of up for whatever price you want to pay him. Or he wants $100 for building it. If he wants $100 for researching the parts and building it, I think that's a little steep. I'd probably do it for 60 or 70, quite frankly, because that's not... Once you know how to do it, it's really not a ton of effort. Again, I always say this, but it's like Lego. That is not a gaming monitor. I'm pretty sure that's actually a small TV. This is a TV. Most definitely. It has true surround HD with the speakers on the back. It's made by Dolby Digital. Why would you sell this as a gaming monitor instead of just a small TV? It even has a remote. Who lied to this person and told them it was a monitor? That's unfortunate for them. I mean, it's not a big deal, but they even have it where a TV would go. Why would they... Oh, well, that's sad. Doesn't really look sealed to me. I mean, is this how they ship? Mini PC? I've never seen a mini PC that looks like a router. I mean, I suppose a lot of them do look like routers, but not one that's looked so router-like. These powerful PCs sell for $600. Powerful, my... Look, it even has the router power cable. Let's see. Are you just selling me a router? Is that all you're doing? There's no fucking way. I mean, it could be kind of cool to take one of these cases and just completely gut it from the inside, which would require you destroying a lot of the inside and then rebuilding an actually good PC inside of it, because they're kind of cool looking cases. Oh my gosh. This is perfect for you if you've been looking for something to play Minecraft on. No? They're not wrong. It's not a bad Minecraft setup, I suppose, for $100. I mean, what? I don't have the original. I think I have the original stand, but I haven't found it yet. If not, it doesn't come with a stand. No. No. No way. Such bullshit. Custom Mac Pro? Yeah. Any designer, video, or music producer? Triple channel isn't maximized performance at all. Unless this computer's from like a while ago, you're gonna want to be running your dual channel memory for maximum performance. What a stupid name for their Wi-Fi and Bluetooth port. What the hell? The airport? Yeah, no, just run Windows. If you're actually a designer, video, or music producer, don't waste your money as a freelancer buying the fucking Apple PC. Hey guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like and subscribe if you like the content, and I'll see you in the next one.